get to the end of your ice cream cone and it gets a little dry? Do you ever feel like that with like life and like summer and like patio furniture? You know what I'm thinking?
There's a connection there.
Okay, guys, so we're gonna do a patio furniture video and you're going to absolutely love it. So make sure you
so much like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching.
We are going to do a makeover on this patio to make this romantic patio environment and provide some tips and ideas on what you can do to do the same in your own home. Now, something that happens a lot when a patio isn't being used very much, or in this case, when you've been gone for an extended period of time, things can get dirty, the elements can cause things to not look as nice and new, and so it just needs to have a spruce up and a makeover and needs to be cleaned a little bit. The first thing we're going to use is this fence, and it's going to help provide some of the privacy, because as you can see, there's not very much privacy on this patio right now, and so we're going to add a little bit of that privacy for that romantic feel. We're also going to add a mat just to make the floor look a bit nicer. Sometimes your patio floor can start looking old or gross, and so this is one way just to add a bit of color and keep it looking fresh. We're also going to put some nice chairs on the patio that are perfect for outside and also add a little bit of color. And of course, we're going to have a table with some treats and goodies and drinks.
And there you have a beautiful romantic patio setting.
Okay guys, sadly we are at the end of our ice cream cone.
And was this video dry?
It was amazing.
So good.
Thank you so much for watching, everybody. And you know what? Go treat yourself with an ice cream cone because they are amazing.
And while you're on your way to get some ice cream, make sure to pick up some patio furniture, some Showhome furniture.